Hi, today we will see about the methods to reduce the CKD progression, otherwise the decline in the renal function in CKD population. In world population, around 8 to 15 percentage of the patient of the people are being affected with CKD. So methods to stop the CKD progression. In a CKD patient, the hallmark steps which are related to stopping the CKD progression are blood pressure control, hyperglycemia control, and the RAS inhibitors, which has been the cornerstone of preventing the CKD progression. First will be the BP control, the target BP, and the trials which are related to it. We will see one by one. The second important step is the RAS inhibitors, either by use of AC inhibitors or ARB or mineralocorticoid receptor antagonist. The next important step is the hyperglycemia control in a diabetic patient. The four other important parameters are correcting the metabolic acidosis by keeping a bicarbonate target of more than 22, maintaining an ideal body weight, diet which is having a low animal protein and rich in fruits. The details of which we will see separately. And the final one is the avoid the nephrotoxic drug like PPI and contrast agents. So these are the most important factors to stop the CKD progression. The recently added two new drugs are SGLT2 inhibitors, which can be used in diabetic or even in non-diabetic patients also. The other important drug which has been recently added is GLP-1 agonist. These are the two new additions to the drugs which can stop the progression of the CKD. So all the trials related to these separate entity will be discussed in detail. What are the trials, what are the benefits of this, what is the BP target, HbA1c target, we will see one by one. But overall, the total 7 important steps which are related to CKD progression are BP control, RAS inhibitor, hyperglycemia control, and the 4 other parameters include metabolic acidosis correction, ideal body weight, diet with a reduced animal protein, low salt, and with little bit more fruit intake, and avoiding the nephrotoxic drugs. The 7 important steps plus the 2 new addition, that is the SGLT2 inhibitors and the GLP-1 agonist. These are all the total drugs and the methods to stop the CKD progression. Next we will first go with the BP control.